Hey, this is Scott and welcome back to Unboxing with Kids. Today we're taking a look at a brand new USB microphone, the MDrill One.
Please like this video and subscribe too.
What they said. So this time what we have is the MDrill One from Thronmax, and if you take a look at the outside of the box, there is a ton of information on here showing all the different special features that this USB microphone has, and there are a lot. So let's take a second to highlight just a couple of them. On the back of the box you got lots of different diagrams going on here to show you all of the different parts of the microphone, because you got knobs for the gain, you got knobs for volume, you got lights and stuff that will show you which mode you're in. You can switch modes because there are a bunch of different modes you can set this for different circumstances. They actually list out all of the different modes that they have on here and what kind of situations you would want to use them in right on the box, so that's really useful if you're not sure kind of how these modes could be beneficial for you. They say there's a simple plug and play design, so we'll test how easy it really is to actually get out of the box and to get going. And also on the front of the box they talk about a 48 kilohertz recording, as well as their Vertigain technology for the grill on the top here, a kind of unique design to it, and all of this is supposed to give you really great audio quality. Okay, let's open the box. And right on top you can see, just like the design on the outside of the box, you got all of the kind of diagrams and information here that you could possibly need. And then on the other side of there's some more information, but that's just paper, so let's get that out of the way. So the box is pretty simple. You got some foam on top here with a little box on the side. First of all, let's go ahead and, can you get this foam out of the way, guys? Let's see what's under there. You can just stick your finger in there and pull it out. There you go, get that out of there. And that is a very, very simple design there. So let's show it to the camera over here. It's a very, very simple layout inside the box. You just got the microphone itself, and yeah, that's really all this to it. I guess everything else is going to be in this box inside there, so take that out. What do you think? Feels nice? Let's hear you sing into it. Didn't think so, huh? And let's get into this box on the side there. Can you pull this out, Alyssa? Pull this out. Alright, and let's get rid of this. Move that over to the side. Open this one. Let's open it up. Ooh, let's rip it open. All right. So what do we got?
This one.
What's in there? What is that?
Charger.
Charger? You know what a charger is? Well, it's not a charger. It's the USB cable, but she's close enough. We'll give her points for that. So this is a really nice kind of braided cable that they have here, and it looks very long. I'll put on screen how long it is exactly, but it's a very, very nice cable to plug this into your computer. What are these?
I don't know.
You don't know? You know charger, but they don't know stickers. These are stickers. I always love having stickers in the box. It's nice. And a Thronmax warranty card. So that's pretty much it. Is there anything else in there? That's everything?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's everything. So it's a very simple unboxing here. Everything really does feel good. Let me get a feel for this. I actually haven't touched it yet. The grill on the top here feels like it's metal or something, like really nice quality material there. The rest of it is a little bit plasticky, but it does not feel bad at all. It feels nice. It looks nice. I'm excited to get this plugged in because there's all kind of lights, mood lights they say, all over it on the bottom and on the front here to show you, you know, which mode you're in and how the volume and gain settings are. Really, really nice looking microphone. Hopefully it sounds as good as it looks. They got a couple of screw knobs on the side here so you can hold it at whatever position you need. There is also a screw thread on the bottom here that will allow you to attach this to standard.
Stickers.
Yeah. That will.
This one is stickers.
Did you just fart?
No.
Okay. There is a screw thread on the bottom here that will allow you to put this onto any standard microphone stand, as well as this one that is included with it. And on the bottom you have a couple of things for your headphones, your USB cable, and an LED, which is, I assume, the on and off for this mood light that they have on the bottom of here. You got a couple of buttons on here. I believe this is the mode button to switch between these different modes, which you do have also LEDs to show which mode you're in. You got that volume level LED here on the front, and also the mute, so one-touch mute for this as well. And on the other side you just have your knobs for the gain and the volume for the headphones. So I like that that is also separate, and you do have controls for both of those things on here. Now it's time for these kids to eat dinner, time for me to get my hands dirty, testing this out and kind of getting to know it a little bit better. I will have another video pretty soon to give a full review of this and give you all that information. So for now, if you want to know anything about this, if you have any questions, things you want me to test, leave that down below in the comments and I will be sure to get back to you. If you like this video, be sure to like it down below as well and subscribe to see more in the future about this and also other content. Don't forget to hit the bell so that way you get notifications when it's uploaded. And for now, let's say thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you next time.